Master the logic, simplify the math. Welcome back to All About Maths with another video. Today we are going to solve this nice problem without using calculator. So let's start it. So our problem is 64 of power 3 minus 16 of power 4. So we can write it as 64 as 2 of power 6 with previous power 3 minus 2 of power 4 with power 4. So now we will multiply these exponents with each other. So it will become 2 of power 18 minus 2 of power 16. So now here we will simplify their powers, like 2 of power 9 into 2, which is also 18, minus 2 of power 8 into 2, which is also equal to 16. So this part of equation is in the form of a of power m plus n is equal to a of power m of n. So we will write this equation in the form of this identity. And we have 2 of power 9 of 2 minus 2 of power 8 of 2. So now this part of equation resembles the algebraic identity, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we will write this equation by using this identity. So 2 of power 9 plus 2 of power 8 bracket 2 of power 9 minus 2 of power 8. So now we will find their values, 2 of power 9 and 2 of power 8. So for this we will do this step: 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 2, 2 multiply by 2, 3. So now we will multiply with each other. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64, 64 twos are 128, 128 twos are 256, 256 twos are 512, and 512 twos are 10, 20. So here we know that 2 of power 10, all of these 2's are 10. The value of 2 of power 10 is 1020. 2 of power 9 is 512. 2 of power 8 is 256. So now we will add all of these values in this equation, and we have 2 of power 9 is 512 plus 2 of power 8 is 256 into 512 minus 256. So now we will simplify all of these. First of all, we will add this brackets value. So 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 5 is 7. So now here we will subtract 512 minus 256. So for this, here 2 is less than 6, so we will take a carry from 5. Here 4 is left, and it will give 1. 5 is 11, and 11 is will give one number to 2, so it will become 12, and here 10 is left. So now 12 minus 6 is 6, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. So now we got the values 768 into 256. Now we have to multiply both these values, but without using calculator. So for this, we will separate these values, like 768 into 200 plus 50 plus 6. So now we will multiply 768 with 200 and 50 and 60 separately. So 768 into 200 plus 768 into 50 plus 768 into 6. So now first of all, we will multiply 768 into 200. So both 0 will come same. 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. So we will write here 6. And 1 is left. 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we will write here 3, and 1 is also left. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So it gives us the value 3600 plus. So now we will multiply 768 into 50. So 0 will remain same. 5 into 8 is 40. So we will write here 0, and 4 is left. 5 into 6 is 30, and 30 plus 4 is 34. So we will write here 4, and 3 is left. 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So it gives us 38, and 38 400 plus. So now 760 into 6, we will multiply both values. 6 into 8 is 48. So we will write here 8, and 4 is left. 6 into 6 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 40. So we will write here 0, and 4 is also left. 6 into 7 is 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. So now we have to add all of these three values. So 5, 3, 6, 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So we will write here 6 and 1 is left. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. So we will write here 6 and 1 is left. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 1 as it is will come. So now we have the final answer is 196,608. So this is our final answer of this question. That's it for today's solution. If you enjoyed this video and learned a new trick, please give it a thumb up. If you have a different way to solve this problem or any questions, feel free to comment below. I'd like to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to All About Maths for your daily dose of math challenges. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing.